Now, CBS 12 News This Morning.
Giving burn victims their lives back, the revolutionary procedure, how it works, and the Florida woman seeing results firsthand. All right, well, it's a story of survival. A South Florida woman caught in the middle of a fight, ending up with burns covering more than 50% of her body. Well, thanks to breakthrough technology, those burns are now diminishing.
Joining us this morning is dermatologist Robyn Siperstein of West Boynton Beach. And Dr. Siperstein, how did you get involved with Julie? Because really, this was a revolutionary technology to try to treat her burns.
Yes, well, thanks for having me on. The Doctor's Show contacted us to see if we could help a burn survivor, Julie. And I had her come to our office and looked at her wounds. Because they were pretty significant, I went over the fact that the current technology has a lot of downtime. It can cause pain, inflammation, it can even cause darkening of the skin. And since she had already been through so much, I told her of my idea of trying something completely different. We utilized the Cutera Secret, which is a microneedling radiofrequency device, originally intended to treat the signs of skin aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles, as well as acne scarring. However, it's worked incredibly well in this case. The results have been remarkable and far exceeded our expectations.
So how exactly does this treatment work?
So this treatment is so different because it's able to keep the top layer of skin intact, whereas previous treatments would burn the top layer of skin in order to get deep down. So there are micro needles that go into the skin and release radiofrequency, which turns into heat, and that stimulates collagen to be built. Collagen is the basic structure of our skin, so essentially we're able to remodel the skin with a lot less downtime.
I find this so interesting that she came to you and you just said, well, we haven't seen this work. This is something used for something entirely different. And you said, but it might work, and now it's having incredible success.
Yes, it's been very rewarding to see with such little downtime the efficacy of the Cutera Secret in this case, and it really gives hope for burn survivors elsewhere.
And you said that you've had some local agencies who've reached out to you in the past couple of weeks since the Doctor's Show aired, saying, we'd love for you to help us.
Yes, the Children's Burn Foundation of Florida has reached out to me, and we've offered our services complimentary to children who are going something similar as Julie is going through. And
do you think, I mean, if you think this is something that more doctors can use across the world to try to help burn victims?
Definitely. The efficacy is actually much more than I thought and better than we've had with the fractional laser treatments that we've been using in the past, with less downtime and less side effects. So altogether, it's just a wonderful treatment.
All right. Dr. Siperstein, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Well, thank you for having me.
If you'd like to learn more about Julie, go to our website, cbs12.com.